Hello and welcome to Phylog, the knowledge assembly and collaboration tool. We start Phylog by going to www.phylog.com or by accepting an invitation link to contribute to a Phylog. Once you sign in or sign up, Phylog takes you to your My Phylog page where you view, create, and manage Phylogs. This is my Phylog page with 2 Phylogs in my inbox. Everybody's My Phylog is different. I created and own the first Phylog titled, Should We Skip the Staff Meeting on Tuesday? So far, 5 contributors have provided inputs for this topic. The second Phylog titled, How Do We Like the New Travel Agency? Is owned by Jane, who invited me to contribute. Although 10 others have contributed, I have not yet provided an input, so this Phylog is colored yellow. Phylog results from all contributions are shown in 3 pie charts. For the first Phylog, the result pie chart shows the fusion of contributor inputs with uncertain and weak inputs filtered out using our patented Bayesian technology. This Phylog's result shows a 76% support for the answer yes. The consensus pie chart shows a percent of contributor agreement, which is 69%. The certainty pie chart shows the average level of input certainty, which is 64%. The results show that this team generally wants to skip the meeting on Tuesday, but is a little unsure. Viewing the details of this Phylog will show why. To create a Phylog, I select New and enter the topic. Should we hire Bob or Ping? Phylog topics are generally questions that are answered in an either this or that format. I can select a standard set of labels or enter custom labels like Bob and Ping. Next, I describe the Phylog and add any desired attachments. Lastly, I want to invite contributors by selecting Add. People are added to the contact list when I invite them to contribute to a Phylog. In this case, I will select Jane to invite and also enter Bill's email, who will be a new Phylog user as soon as he signs up. An email is sent to each invitee that links them to the Bob vs. Ping Phylog, where they can input their contribution. Phylog next shows me the detail page, so I can contribute to this new Phylog and see contributions made by other invitees. The detail page for any Phylog can also be accessed by selecting a Phylog's title in My Phylog. For this Phylog, I move the input slider between the 2 extremes of Bob and Ping. I think Bob is the best, but not by much. Next, I move the slider for certainty. I am not very certain since I have only looked at their resumes and have not interviewed either candidate. I write the reason for my input and certainty for other contributors to this Phylog to reference, and I submit my contribution. I am now taken back to My Phylog. As you can see, the new Phylog has been added to the My Phylog list. This was a quick introduction to Phylog. You have seen how to create a Phylog, make an input, and manage who contributes, which are all key Phylog functions. Other popular Phylog features include using folders to organize and share groups of Phylogs, and sorting Phylogs to compare results. To learn more, log in and create your own Phylogs. Invite others to help you resolve important topics.